一种的电视贴你冷气。I'm so excited that I'm in top 5. Oh goodness. So you wanted us to video ourselves answering the following questions, and therefore I would do that for you. So question number 1 says, why you accepted this challenge? I personally, I accepted this challenge because I just thought that, you know, I'm from the middle of nowhere, and so I was like, you know what, I have nothing to lose. So there, so just go for it and see what happens. And I'm glad I did, because I'm here, top 5, and I'm so excited for what's next. I also accepted this challenge because I also thought to myself that this opportunity, an opportunity like this comes once in a blue moon, and I wanted to take advantage of this opportunity, especially for southern so and so I was like, you know, this is a big opportunity, and might as well, you know, because there is nobody that's gonna come and look for artists in Tennessee. So I was like, you know, this is my time to make me like at least a little known that, you know, there are people in the South that still pay attention to the Hmong community and everything. So that's that. Question number 2 says, what are your goals if you win this music challenge? First of all, one of my goals are to at least come out with an album or 2 or 3 or all of the above, because you know, 我一度能红高就要英年年红高，在啲最出名啲三龍啦，要英實實紅高聽。So I would like to come up with albums. Another one of my goals are I would love to successful in challenge. I would love to work with other artists out there, the ones that are already established and the ones that are not established yet. Silly YouTube I would love to do collaboration because established, so that's something I would really like to do. Another one of my goals, probably my last one, if I were to win this challenge, by the time I'm financially stable and after I graduate, I would really like to help the filming industry, because being more daylight being more like the she quality they then because I'm into all of that as well. I love working behind the scenes. Do not so I would love to work behind the scenes with the filming industry. Question 3 says, your whole experience for this music challenge. All I have to say is so far so good. It's a little stressful because, you know, deadlines are strict, and if you're a student or you work, you have children, it could be really hard and really stressful, but all I have to say is so far so good. I enjoy seeing other people's videos and listening to their original styles, and I'm enjoying it so far. Question number 4 says, how are you going to take responsibility of your success? Well, I'm gonna take full responsibility by first of all by time managing, because right now I'm a full-time student. I work during the summer, and if work studies would hire me, then I would be kind of working too right now. Did she work studies? Did she hire? Cool. So that's that. I'm also an executive board in the Asian American Association, which this is our office, and it's Sunday, so I'm in here filming. But yeah, first of all, I would have to say time management is a really big thing, and secondly, I would have to take responsibility of it by making sure that I get things done by deadline, because stuff like that is really important. You to take responsibility of đây là我有我用贴有我去用这点有啥的有因我都一样推着用了因为得叫我因啥的有我去到用贴 so you should take responsibility of the用的 Questionnaire statement number 5 says introduction of yourself cú lông bày hùa cam bao sành xiong cú mua có chua xiong cú yêu trâu lúa linh đô văn thi nàng gò xa ít cho bố cho chi and cú này hay cú chia lông bày hùa hư công thế này hư công xiong cú yêu trâu lúa rò Detroit, Michigan nhớ tỏ lì đô cú lúa xiong thì bây giờ chỉ lo trâu Nashville Tennessee thật mua cho xiong and been here for a while now. This is my sophomore year at the University of Memphis, so I'm 3 hours away from home. I'm living on campus, and it's not too bad. My brother and my sister-in-law are actually here too, but away from where I am at right now. And cô chỉ nên cô support cô cho trong thế từ từ cô giờ theo trong thế chỉ trongอยู่ได้chỉ xã bảo là những cái đâuอยู่thế so my parents and my siblings they're all really supportive in the things that I do cô sa hay bây giờ cái hôn câu nói nhưng vì ra thầu bây giờ đâu những chuyện này I feel like all of us has always had the music side of us. For example, like children start whining before they actually start speaking, and yeah, to me that's a form of music. And then they cho là cô chỉ mù, they hiện ra là khó talent, they cho là cô muốn cho chơi thằng dân gió là thế. So like my mom said, when my little brother and I we were little, she would take us grocery shopping, and then nó sing jungle from then Chinese movie để she mong muốn bày hoặc cố lên nè jungle nhau này camera thế cả in chỉ có credit roll hoặc yêu tao I don't know who the artist is but it goes like this actually lo tua chia có chỉ buồn I love that movie and I love that song, but there's more stuff, more information about me, such as I've been in choir for 6 years, middle school and high school, and in middle school I was an alto, and then in high school I started off as a soprano, and then a soprano 2, and then an alto 1, and then an alto 2. But sophomore year of high school, I decided to audition for the all-state mid-state choir, which includes all of the high schools in Middle Tennessee. And I actually made the mid-state choir, and I was placed in the women's choir. And then junior year, I auditioned again, but I was in a horrible condition, so I did not get placed in all-state or mid-state. But senior year, I auditioned for my last time, and I was placed again in a women's choir, and it was a lot of fun. There were a lot of beautiful voices, and so going to mid-state to listen to
everyone perform, it's always so beautiful because the scenery is beautiful as well, and it was just such a great experience. I also competed in the Great Lakes Michigan New Year. It's in Michigan, and I competed with Xua Lao Zhango, Hua Hai Tia Chimoka Sua Bonjoa Tia, Yang Ya Zhango, Hua Hai Tia Lun Diao La Tia Jo. And then I ended up in being coming out of first in the competition, and I was really excited, but I was stressed because the sing finale. So for my finale, I sung Zongva Zhango Hua Hai Tia Zai Da Yong Xie, and it was a really good outcome because it was my first time singing and competing in front of a big audience. But 但是呢，有路说，冇 compare 到路头一个冇 compete 到，第路说头一个冇 compete 到 it's like I have no idea how I ended up in first place actually. But 怎么个也怎么听 so 如果就用些的，如果来提议来听。Nowadays, my little brother and I, we would, whenever I'm home or he's home, then we would have jam sessions, and we sing Dyango Koko, yeah, Hallelujah, Yo, just everybody Dyango, and Ugu covered Minji Te Deshi, most of the time, la jam or she's a Gucci record though.
In conclusion, I would just really like to thank you for this opportunity. It means so much to all of us, the ones who competed and the ones who did not compete, because this is totally something new and something different, and you're such an original. I personally, I look up to you, and so do the rest of us. So, good luck to everybody. I don't know who all is gonna watch this video, but good luck to everybody. And I've enjoyed my time in this music challenge. So, thank you so much, and thank you to all of my new Facebook friends, my listeners. I don't know if there's much, but I've been getting a lot of friend requests. So, thank you to everybody.